Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 13. This also works with all other models of the 13. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you then can release. You may now release. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.